Guys, as we go through the day today, it's chilly to start off the morning. We do have a nice afternoon that will be on tap for later on. Winds right now, they're still pretty strong down in southwestern Oklahoma. They will relax some into the afternoon. This morning, freezing temperatures in portions of northern Oklahoma. Now we're starting to see a slight warming trend. It's still cool. It's 42 degrees. Northeast winds causing it to feel like 35 at Will Rogers. We're 11 degrees colder than this time on your Easter morning. Lower 40s across the state, some 50s down to the southeast and also the southwest. And we may see a few 70s later today down around the Red River. Winds are gusting 15, 25. Now down in the southwest, we've had some gusts over 30. And there is still a wind chill to speak of. That north wind has a little bit of a bite to it this morning. You'll still want the jacket or even the light coat as you step out for the next couple of hours. But we do warm it up. It still feels like the 30s. Temperatures today will warm from the 40s. Eventually we'll make our way up into the mid-60s later on, and this cloud cover that we've got now will be gone. And your northeast winds, they pick up some around lunchtime, and then they do relax a little into the afternoon and evening, which means I think we've got a nice afternoon on tap. I think you're going to like it. 60s and 70s down to the south, and if you like warmer weather, just hang on. There's a lot of that headed our way as well. Record highs, hottest temps of the season are coming tonight, though. We got to get through another cool one. Chilly one. And in fact, a lot of folks will have their heaters running again tonight. 36 degrees in Ponca City, 38 in Stillwater, 38 in Tulsa, 42 here in Oklahoma City with 40s down to the south. But what'll be the difference is it'll be a south breeze. Now, there will be a chance of rain in the morning, a few scattered showers that will try to develop through mid-morning and kind of right across northern Oklahoma. Best chance from Ponca to Pawnee, back over to Tulsa and up to Miami. And then what happens is we go through mid-morning and the afternoon, a few thunderstorms try to form in southern and western Oklahoma. Not everyone sees the rain. Chances highest just to the south of Oklahoma City. I think the south sides of the metro has better chance of rain than the north side. And right now, those chances are running 60–70% down to the southeast. Thing about tomorrow is there's just really no instability to work with as far as these storms becoming potent or severe. So scattered showers, a few rumbles of thunder, may end up with some pea-sized hail, and that kind of looks to be the threat right now. Temperatures try to make it into the 60s and low 70s, but when the rain is falling and where it's raining, it will be cooler tomorrow afternoon. As far as our next storm system goes, we're always watching the big picture. Of course, you desperately need the rain out west. You'll notice a few blips on radar showing up for tomorrow into even your Wednesday. The bigger story, though, is going to be the heat that arrives. And as a cold front approaches with this storm system, main energy with it is just too far for the north for us to have any widespread rain or storms into your Wednesday. But it shoves a dry line across Oklahoma, and we bake, and it'll be windy on Wednesday. That cold front does try to make its way through. We'll have a chance for storms in eastern Oklahoma. And then on Thursday, still very hot. Friday, we're hot. Friday, we will have a chance for a few thunderstorms, isolated in nature, as the next storm system again passes pretty far to the north. We'll have a chance for thunderstorms along the cold front as it arrives. Some data says that front pushes in late Saturday, some kind of into your Sunday. So the timing for your weekend not pinned down, but that's going to be our next weather maker as far as any widespread chances will be with that storm system. Your Wednesday, I mentioned it's going to be hot. Let's just start there. Cold front does approach in the northwest, so you'll see lower 80s. But think about the fire danger with this wind shift coming, a southwest wind, desert-like air near record highs. We may see triple digits down around the Red River on Wednesday, the way it looks, with a high to extreme fire danger, humidity back down around 5%. As far as any rain on Wednesday ahead of that dry line, maybe an isolated storm or two that tries to form, but chances are pretty much 20% or less. If a storm can form Wednesday, it would be severe off into eastern Oklahoma. And it's not like we get a strong cold front that blasts through. That front kind of fizzles out. That means Thursday, 86 degrees, 85 on Friday. And then here comes storm chances into your weekend as that next cold front approaches. And those could be severe. Back to you guys.